Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's English grammar lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn about parts of speech. We will begin with nouns. A noun names a person, place, thing, animal, or idea.
Like dog?
Exactly. For example, teacher, doctor, and child are nouns because they name people. School, city, and park are nouns because they name places. A book, pen, or phone is a noun because it names a thing. Like a dog or cat? Exactly. They name animals, so they are nouns. Love, honesty, and happiness are nouns because they name ideas. If a word names something, it is a noun. Now let's learn the types of nouns. First, proper nouns. A proper noun is the specific name of a person, place, or thing. A proper noun always begins with a capital letter Ali, London, Monday, and Samsung. Let's look at proper nouns. In this sentence, Ali and Greenwood School are proper nouns. Next, common nouns. A common noun is a general name of a person, place, or thing. Nouns don't begin with capital letters.
So, boy is a noun? And city too?
Exactly. Great examples. In the sentence, the boy is reading a book. Boy and book are common nouns.
Oh, I see.
Me too. Now let's talk about collective nouns. A collective noun names a group of people, animals, or things. Class, team, and herd are collective nouns. So class is a collective noun?
Exactly.
I get it now. Next, abstract nouns. An abstract noun names something that cannot be seen or
Like
touched.
happiness and friendship.
Nouns can be feelings, qualities, or ideas.
Like happiness
Exactly, or bravery.
and honesty.
Let's look at an example. In the sentence, honesty is the best policy, honesty is an abstract noun. Now let's learn about concrete nouns. A concrete noun names something that can be seen, touched, heard, smelled, or tasted. Concrete nouns are things we can see or touch, like apple, flower, music, and rain.
So flower is a concrete noun?
Next are countable nouns. Countable nouns are nouns that can be counted. Examples include one pen. In the sentence, I have 3 pens, pens is a countable noun,
Oh, I see.
so it can be counted. Now, uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are nouns that cannot be counted one by one. Nouns can be countable or uncountable.
Uncountable nouns include water, milk, rice, sugar, and information.
Exactly. In the sentence, please give me some water, water is an uncountable noun. It doesn't need a or an. Now let's see how nouns are used in sentences. A noun can be used as a subject. The boy is running. A noun can be used as an object. For example, she reads a book.
The book is the object.
Exactly. A noun can be used after a preposition. For example, the bag is on the table.
Oh, I see.
Me too. A noun can show possession. This is Allie's pen. Let's summarize. Nouns name people, places, things, animals, and ideas. And they help make sentences.
Like this one.